Welcome to the INSEVIS video tutorials. My name is Fabian. Today we are dealing with the Profibus. Profinet or Profibus. Both are available from INSEVIS, but not in the same controller. For Profibus, you need a controller with a CPU of type Vi or P. There is an adapter for easy connection to our control. For Profinet, I need to use a controller with a type T CPU. Simply connect it to the two separate Ethernet ports of the Profinet adapter. The Profibus DB-V0 masters, or slaves offered by INSEVIS as an option, are configured in the Cymatic Manager or in the TIA portal. The hardware configurator is used for the configuration of the DP master. This configuration corresponds to that of the integrated DP interface of the CPU 315.2 PNDP as DP master or slave. After you have finished your Profinet or Profibus configuration in the TIA portal and transferred it to the CPU, you can carry out another hardware configuration in the config stage. Transfer this when it is ready. From that moment on, only the software may be transferred in the TIA portal, otherwise everything would be overwritten again. We have also collected the more frequent error sources for the Profibus. If you don't use the connection adapter, but connect the cable yourself, then you really have to check the wiring. It has already happened that a customer has mixed up the P and the N wire at the Profibus connection and has searched for it for a very long time. Only Profibus V0 is supported, not version V1 or V2. A customer had made this mistake. He had selected V1. He searched for wiring errors for a really long time until he called us in despair. We were able to explain to use V0 to him again. Again, to mention, we are not an iDevice. That means our Profibus device cannot act as master and slave at the same time. As with the CAN bus, termination is necessary at the ends of the Profibus. For this purpose, the INSEVIS CPUs and the third small switch are used. It should also be noted that termination actually only occurs at the two ends of the bus network. To prevent the PLC from going into run-stop mode in the event of errors in decentralized modules, it is recommended to use OBs 82 and 86. OB82 is for diagnostic alarms if, for example, diagnostic capable modules send error messages that these can be processed further. OB86 prevents that the system enters run-stop mode in the event of an periphery device will fault or return from fault. So that was our short topic on Profibus. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in one of the next videos of the INSEVIS video tutorials.